I'm play one video, this one. Hi friends, welcome back in this YouTube channel. In today in this video, how to download React Native course in Udemy without pay money. Free download, okay? First I can show which course I can download today. That's the course I can download today, the complete React Native plus hooks course, okay? That's the course. I'm going one website. Hi there. Open this website and search on the hooks. Then you can open this one, React Native hooks course, same as Udemy. I can play one video in this course, okay? I'm play one video, this one. I'm
teach you everything you need to know about React Native.
okay. I can show how many lectures in there. In 18, this one 18 in last is 18, okay? Then I can go to Udemy, then show more sections. Last one is extras, okay? Same as this. And I can also play one video in Udemy.
Hello and welcome. My name is Steve
Same as.
Schrader, and in this course,
And please don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel and take care, keep learning, keep practicing. Bye bye. Thank you.